What do you want to put first, sweetheart?
Help! I'm
Yeah.
Daddy. Huh?
Hi.
Hi.
Come on. Maybe let's put 2 cows inside. Okay, 2. Okay. You little brownie cow, go inside the cattle truck now. Okay. Moo. Moo. Bye, sir. It's okay. Just make it stand there. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I'm tired. I'm tired.
Moo. 1 cow inside.
Nom, 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 nom.
Yum. He's eating. Let me see.
Nom.
Is he eating? Let me see. Whoa! He has something. What's that inside? He's eating. He's trying to eat something.
Nom.
Yeah. Now let's add another one. 1 more cow, please. Yeah. 1 more cow.
No, means too big.
Okay.
That's too big.
Oh no.
Too big. Oh!
Oh. He finally made it.
Yes. Now, cold.
Now drive the truck slowly. Where are you going? Move closer here.
No shit.
Okay.
Here.
Mm-hmm.
Catching fire. Reflex. Catching fire. Look, it's catching fire.
That's inside. Whoa. Wow.
Kiku. Kiku, guys.
What? I think they're hungry. They need to eat something. Yeah. They need to eat something.
Why?
Huh?
Why eat?
They need to eat grass.
Eat grass?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, here. They have to go back here.
Huh?
You need to take a shower.
I'm done.
You're done. Okay. Go back now.
Okay, reflex. Please, mommy.
Okay.
Help.
Okay. It's time to take a shower. There. He's washing the... Okay, now he's done. It's time to go back now. And I think he's also very hungry. Needs to go back to the farm.
Hey!
You're blocking the way. Move the other cow inside, please.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Inside. What's inside?
Watch out.
Oh, look out! Bark! There. Bark. Bark over here. And let's go. Gone down. what is that?
Oh, this one. Yep, that's fine.
This is what that? It's not what that. What could this that? Now,
Close the door now.
can't go still, see? Can't go
The wrong
still.
side.
Wrong
This
side.
one. There.
Huh? This one?
Yeah. Now close it now. Do, 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 do. Do, do.
Oh, wait, and then it goes. Sorry. Sorry. No. I know it hurt me. Soap. What's soap? What's this soap? I need one. This soap. Now it's going to fire.
Taking the shower.
Yes.
The longhorn. It's the longhorn.
Look,
Yeah.
hot.
Let me see the longhorn. Whoa.
No, red here.
Okay.
Red.
You want the red one?
Yes.
There. What about the yellow? Can you put him in the yellow?
No,
There he is. And this is the green one.
Yes.
See the green. Ooh. You can see his boom boom. What about your other cows? Where are they? Horsey. The mommy, the piggy, and the cow family. See? All in the Magnetal's barn. And we have here the, what's this? The sheep. Baba, black sheep, happy. Oh look, try to fix the one. Yep, put it back.
Mm.
What's the sound of the horse?
Mm.
Horse.
Yeah.
What's the sound of the pig? What's the sound of the cow?
Mm.
What's the sound of the dog? Dog.
Puff.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Hey,
What's
what's the sound of the sheep?
Bap, bap.
Okay. Now let's get our long. Just going back to the truck now. Going up. And going back to the barn.
Oh, no, it's going in. Going park. Look, this spark. Look, this spark. Look, see that?
Yeah. It's pretty.
Yes, event.